enjoy the film and wishing you all the very best, Krishna garu. And yes, I think we should start with Suresh Babu sir's wishes. So sir,
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. See, if there are some real true friends ఉంటారంటే సాయిని, అనిల్ గారిని, I see them. వాళ్ళు ఈ ఫ్యూ ఫిల్మ్స్ వెంకటేష్ వాళ్ళతో తీస్తున్నప్పుడు the way they work together is very very nice. సాయి, I hope అనిల్ అక్కడ నీకు బాగా రబ్ చేసేస్తే you'll do very very passionate person. చెప్పాడు, నేను he wanted to tell something and it's good you put your foot out and try to do it. Efforts will never fail. Wish you all the best, Sai. All the best. Thank you.
thank you sir, thank you very much. Yes,
And to all the people, all you youngsters,